murder trial of a South African farm owner and his employee accused of killing two black women and disposing of their bodies in a pigsty resumed on Monday. Farm owner Zachariah Olivier and Zimbabwean farm worker William Masura are being tried in the High Court in Polokwane. Maria Magato and Kudzai Ndlovu were allegedly murdered in August 2024. According to court documents, the women had entered the farm looking for discarded dairy products before being confronted and attacked. A third man, farm supervisor Adrian Rudolph de Vet, was initially implicated but has had charges against him dropped and is now cooperating with authorities as a state witness. Further developments in the trial are expected as the court continues to examine witness testimonies and evidence.